We are also looking to build trust and increase visibility because AI is going to be the underlying fabric of the next wave of technology, going from the augmented reality on robotics and all of the stuff. So the importance is just because the user behavior has changed in a way that they are no longer going through sites. We are no longer getting our impressions from content that we provide mostly. There's still data to see it or to support how much are you going through the actual citations or sources in the answers to kind of assess how much visibility you get from those. So that's why brand building is so important. So the more that you show up as a recommendation, the more people will be going through your website and getting ready. There's already a study, and even for Ahrefs, which shows that 0.5% of their traffic comes from AI, but also that accounts for 12% of their signups. So this is kind of still a small percentage of traffic that is increasing, but it's showing really, really high commercial intent. They are ready to buy. So this is kind of the most valuable opportunity right here in the landscape. These are common AEO advice that you see everywhere. This is around answering users' questions, write content that is clear and easy to understand, use headings, tables, and bullet points, which are the kind of the easy things that AI grabs before selecting your snippet or your section. Add structured data. This is what we are been talking about with Tyler. FAQ, organization, contact, product. This is kind of the first steps, but structured data goes way beyond just these starting labels, which are really, really useful. But at the end, what you want in your website with structured data is relationships. You should be able to link your organization to your employees, your publications with the authors, those authors with their profiles in validated sources like LinkedIn, Amazon, even IMDb. I've seen people publishing their own podcast into IMDb just to be part of that database and be able to grow his own entity strength. So this is kind of the end goal of structured data is to be able to show your relationships in the world, but in the semantic web, which is like the thing that the AI systems really understand at the end. And use natural language. As we can see, we are getting away from keywords and closer to semantic relationships, to semantic closeness or something. So same meanings of different words can give you a better chance than just stuffing keywords like we used to do in the past. This is the basic explanation of what an LLM is inside of an answer engine. This is kind of one of my strong suits. I always worry too much about the concepts, but they will help us understand the underlying technology. So an LLM is the processor of the language, is the thing that turns words into data that they understand, that they can classify in a vector database. So the way that this works is the thing that puts between the user and the search engine. So it plays the part of an interpreter and also an agent, because it will turn what you want to get, and it will turn into different search queries that will help you complete a most complex answer.